You do have quite a bit of functionality with Lizzy in telling it how you want to actually handle the service department. And in the next couple videos, we're going to go through a few of the settings here. So right now we're going to go to settings and we're going to go to invoicing, and then we're going to click on defaults. And from here, if we scroll down a little bit, we've got all of our default accounting stuff, which we're not really that interested in at this particular point because they're already set up. But if we scroll down just a little bit, we'll get to a section here on service defaults and shop materials. So you can see here that we can tell it things like what we want our default EPA to be, default estimates to show on the service list, and so forth. So I'm not going to go through every single one of these options because they're all fairly self-explanatory. But this is in the settings invoicing defaults is where you want to go to actually set the overriding processes. Now, one thing you will notice down here that you probably do want to pay attention to is we have our percentage, and this is calculating our shop materials, whether we want to set a percentage or in a max amount. And then we also have, let me see where it is. Down here we have our default special order deposit. Now, with respect to service tickets, we really don't care too much about this because it doesn't require deposits on that particular thing. So I probably shouldn't have mentioned it in this video, but that's where you actually set that stuff. And then, you know, the customer specific stuff is set in the customer record. But the main defaults for the service department, this is where you would go to actually set that stuff up and get the system ready to operate the way you want it to run.